Okay guys, you're probably stuck or in a bit of an emergency situation, so let me just make this super quick. Here's what you want to do. Open this fuse box up. So there's two kind of pinch things you need to just pull up here, or two tabs I should say. Pull up tab 1, pull up tab 2, take this thing out completely and put it aside. Take this, there's a little clip right there on the side. Pull that up and then pull this out of the way. This exposes the positive terminal for your car. Now, here's what you want to do. Grab one of these Gooloo sets. These are really, really nice, 50 bucks, whatever. Take the red one. You can't connect it to the bolt itself because there's no room. However, you can go like this. That's perfectly fine. Take the other unit and connect it to up here. See this little thing on the strut mount? This will act as a negative terminal. So connect those up and you're ready to go. That's pretty much it. Once you get the car home, I strongly suggest getting a really cheap trickle charger. These things, you can probably pick them up for about 20 or 30 bucks. If your car's been sitting, mine has been for a couple of months. We've sort of been quarantined. Once you do that, just repeat the same process. So positive terminal, negative terminal over on the strut mount. Let that kind of trickle charge your car anywhere from 6 to 24 hours if you're not going to drive it much. Thank you for watching. I hope it's helped you out.